Hi, welcome to GST Center. I am Nyson Lewis. In this video, we will see some softwares provided at free of cost, absolutely at free of cost by GSTN. And these are accounting and billing softwares. Those are empaneled with the GSTN, and you can see which are these softwares in the next slides. And these softwares are available to business persons whose annual turnover is below 1.5 crores. There is a link I have given at the bottom. If you go to that link, you can see all such empaneled software companies. So the softwares available at free of cost includes these softwares: Ubooks, SignetFace, Focuslight, Logo Webari, Mark, Saral, Books, Soho Books, etc. Very good software indeed. Let us take Ubooks. It is provided by Adecure Info Private Limited, and it is available on cloud, and mobile application is also available. You can download from Play Store. And the company was incorporated in 30th January 2003. It is a Hyderabad based company. The company's website is udyogsoftware.com, and by going to that website you can download the software. So that was the first software. The second software is SignetFace, Financial Accounting and Comprehensive and Easy. It is provided by Signet Infotech Private Limited, which is a Ahmedabad-based company. The software is on premise; it is not on cloud, and mobile application is also not provided. And you can get the details in signetinfotech.com website. The third software is Focuslight. It is provided by Focus Softnet Private Limited. The product name is Focuslight, and it is a cloud-based software. Mobile application is not available, and the company was incorporated in 6th April 1994, and it is a Hyderabad-based company. You can get more details from focussoftnet.com website of that company. And the fourth software, Logo Webari, is provided by Iris Business Services Limited. The product name is Webari. It is available in cloud as well as mobile applications also provided. So it is a recommended software. The company was incorporated in 3rd October 2000, and address is in Thane, that is Maharashtra based company. The details are available in irisbusiness.com. Then the fifth software is Mark, very much a non-software in India. It is provided by Mark ERP Limited, and the product name is Mark GST Pro, and it is available on premise. Mobile application is also provided, and it is based on Delhi, and the company was incorporated in 28th November 2000. The company's website is markcompusoft.com. So by going to that website, you can download the Mark software. The company will provide your demo also on how to use the software. And the sixth software is Saral. This Saral software is provided by Relion Softtech Limited. It is a on-premise software, and mobile application is also provided. So very good one. The company was incorporated in August 2000, and the company is Bangalore-based company. The details are available in RelyOnSoft.com website. The seventh software is Jenny Books. It is provided by Shashasai Business Forms Private Limited. The product name is Jenny Books, and it is a very good recommended software. It is available on cloud, and mobile application is also provided. The company is based in Mumbai, and it is a very experienced company. It was founded in September 1993. The details about the software and company is available in sashasai.com website. And the last but not least software is Soho Books, very much popular and an international company, Soho Corporation Private Limited. The product name is Soho Books. It is a cloud-based accounting system, and the mobile application is also provided. It was founded in 2nd June 2010, and it is a Tamil Nadu based, Kanchipuram based company. The details about the company and software is available in sohocorp.com. So all these softwares are provided at free of cost on the recommendation of GSTN, recommended by various government bodies to use, just like small and medium enterprises, like that. It is available to all business persons whose turnover is below 1.5 crores. So you can go to the respective company's websites and download the software. And how to get it, or the details of all such softwares, you can go to the website gst.gov.in, that is common portal, and just click on help and taxpayer facilities. In that you can see free accounting and billing services, and all softwares are listed out, and you can see the serial number of softwares are given, the name of the company, product name is given, and whether it is on cloud or on premise, that is also provided. Mobile app, whether it is available or not, that is also provided. Almost all companies are provided their softwares on cloud, like ubooks, Focuslight, Webari, Jenny Books, Soho Books. All these are on cloud, and on premise softwares are Signet Phase, Mark GST Pro, and Saral Accounts. And mobile applications are available to almost all softwares except Signet Phase and Focuslight. So if mobile app is available, it will be very good to use. So please check on it. And you can download the software from the respective company's website, which I have given in the earlier slides. And hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you need any free software, you can go to the respective company's websites. Why I am telling, you may ask me, okay, how to get this software, but the software demo and support is provided by respective companies to you. And of course it is very user friendly softwares, and you can use it very comfortably. And thank you very much. If you like this video, click on like button, share with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a great day.